Welcome to the project demonstration of automated aeroponic system. So here we are going to monitor and control the three parameters. So one parameter is humidity and temperature of the environments around the plants and temperature of the water. So humidity and temperature of the environment will be monitored with the help of DHT11 sensor, which will provide us the humidity and temperature of the atmosphere, and water temperature can be measured with the help of this DS18B20, which is of waterproof sensor. So it will measure the continuously temperature of the water and atmosphere humidity temperature. These three parameters continuously displayed on this 16:2 LCD screen, and same data will be uploaded to the ThinkSpeak with help of ESP8266 module. So this is the monitoring section. Coming to the controlling, if you want to pump the water for the plants, we need to maintain the closed loop temperature for the water. So considering this is the water container, and below this we have placed the Peltier plate, which will transfer the heat from one surface to another surface. So this surface will act as a heater. So this will be attached to the water container system, and that temperature continuously measured by this DS18B20 temperature sensor. And the next, humidity. So whenever the humidity increases, the plants will not grow properly in a faster manner. So for that purpose, we need to spray the water with the help of this mist maker. So this will spray the mist on the plants whenever the humidity increases or decreases, means two abnormal conditions. And the next, temperature. So whenever the temperature increases, just atmosphere temperature, and that will be cooled by this exhaust fan, so that we can control the temperature for certain level. So here we have interfaced all these input and output modules to the nano board, and based on the input we are going to controlling the modules with the help of this electromagnetic relay. One relay for Peltier plates and another relay to mist maker, and this transistor board to the exhaust fan here. So we are providing the power supply from this 12 volt 1 amp battery to the LM2596 regulator, so which can control the output load up to 3 amps. Why? Because our Peltier plate module will take the more power while heating the water. So for that purpose we need to use the powerful regulator. So for that we are using LM2596, so which will take 12 volts DC and provide us the 5 volts DC output. So here we can see this 12 volts DC is parallelly input to this transistor board, means to the fan, because the fan operating voltage is 12 volts, and the 5 volts is parallelly given to this breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply to the input and output modules, as the operating voltage for the LCD, Wi-Fi, nano, relays and DHT11 and DS18B20 is a 5 volts. For that purpose we need to distribute them by using this breadboard. And the next, same 5 volts is input to the Peltier plates through this relay. So we can see this 4 wires we are using that to provide the maximum current. If you use the 2 wires, we'll get the less current. That's why we're using the 4 wires. 2 wires positive, 2 wires negative. So for that purpose we're using the 4 wires for the Peltier plate directly. And the next, we have interfaced these 2 relays at pin number 14 and 15 pin of our nano board, and 12th pin for the transistor to control the fan, and ESP8266 interface at the pin number 8 and 9, LCD interface at pin number 2 to pin number 7, and DHT11 interface at the pin number 10, and DS18B20 interface at the pin number 11. So these are the input connections and output interfaces for the nano board. So before on the kits, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So for that, change the hotspot name to, go to hotspot settings, change the hotspot name to project. So project 5633, and the password should be 123456789. So and AB band should be 2.4 gigahertz. These 3 settings are important. After that, enable the hotspot and enable the data. So by using your mobile phone data only, the system will upload the data to the ThinkSpeak cloud platform. So we can see that 0 device connected. So after that, on the power supply to the kit, then welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen, and after initialization we can see the one device will be connected. So coming to the threshold values. So coming to the threshold values, we have interfaced the heater sensor or this Peltier plates. Limits are 30 degrees. Whenever the temperature is about below 30 degrees, then the system will on this Peltier plates. So for demonstration, I am placing on this peltier plate directly, so that we can get the increasing temperature. So you can see one relay is getting on. So initially it will take the more power, so that's why the LCD will get dim, and after some time it will be stabilized. So it will take maximum 10 to 15 seconds of duration. Once the temperature is above 30 degrees centigrade, then the system will stop the process of heating up the water. Now it is 29 degrees centigrade. So atmospheric temperature is 26 degrees centigrade, and atmospheric percentage of humidity is 57. Right, now it is above 30 degrees centigrade. That's why the process got stopped. So you can see that there is no relay getting switched on. Okay, so coming to the humidity. So if you want to increase the humidity, then just we need to blow up this humidity sensor. Just blow hot air on this sensor from your mouth. Right, so it slightly increases. When it crosses the 70%, then automatically this mist maker got switched on. So when it is below 68%, then automatically the mist maker will stop the spraying of this mist. So meanwhile, we can get the data in ThinkSpeak. Right. So this is the data. If you want to get the fresh data to be uploaded into that, right. So now we can see the ThinkSpeak data is uploading now. So if you want to erase this old data, if you want to get the fresh data to be uploaded in that, so let me show you the humidity again. Right. So till that we can see the. So now if you want to erase that, before erase that, go to data import exports, and now download the data. So it will open Excel sheet. There we can get the data of date and time, and what is the details for the how many entries till now we've taken, and first is the humidity and temperature of the environment and temperature of the water. So after you successfully downloaded that, now go to channel settings, data import export for download, channel settings, only do clear channel. Only do clear channel. Please confirm before doing that. Otherwise, if you erase the channel or if you delete the channel, then the system won't respond properly. Now the old data got erased. Now we'll get the new data. So let us wait till the humidity come down below 68%, and then we'll show you the temperature also. So the system is keep on uploading the data. This data will be uploaded to ThinkSpeak the duration of 10 seconds of minimum, 15 seconds maximum, as it will accept the data for only in the duration of 10 to 15 seconds. Right, now let me increase the temperature meanwhile. Right. So coming to the atmospheric temperature, whenever the atmospheric temperature is greater than 30 degrees centigrade, right, so the fan got switched on again. So for temperature increasing of the atmosphere, and when it is below 30 degrees centigrade, again the fan will get switched off. So let me explain you the again these limits. For temperature of atmosphere 30 degrees centigrade, temperature of water 30 degrees centigrade, and humidity is above 70%, it will on the moisture, and if it is below 68, then off the this humidity mist maker.